On a detox diet? Detox diet sample menu. If you're starting on a detox diet, make sure that you've gone to a health professional who have examined you thoroughly and would give a go signal for a detox diet. Detoxifying is a painstaking task, and only those strongly motivated to undergo this program will succeed. In the middle of the program, some people may begin to crave for foods they have gotten used to and are widely available, like junk foods and artificial carbonated drinks. Detox diet sample menus may help you achieve a successful detox diet program, but as they say, change comes from within. These detox diet sample menus are designed to provide important nutrients and antioxidants that strengthen the body's defenses and rid it of toxins and free radicals. There is no such time schedule for the detox diet sample menus. They merely act as guide, and you may proceed with your own menus as you go along in the program. Upon rising in the morning, you may drink 1/2 lemon or any juicy fruit and squeeze it into a glass of warm water and 1 tablespoon of flax seeds mixed in a glass of water. For breakfast, treat yourself to your own combination of fruits for a fruit salad, but examples are 1/2 papaya seeded and sliced, 1 banana sliced, 1 pear sliced, 1/2 cup strawberries, 6 grapes, 6 tablespoons of unsweetened fruit juice and 1 teaspoon maple syrup, optional. Skip the dressing for this salad. For your morning snack, drink a cup of nettle tea. You could also choose to have fruit or vegetable salad for lunch and dinner. Drink a cup of thyme tea for your mid-afternoon snack and a chamomile tea after dinner. You can make a variety of combinations of fruits and vegetables in your diet as long as they are fresh, not canned. For a hefty detox diet sample menu, try having a breakfast smoothie made with banana, pineapple, rice milk, and rice protein. Your food supplements may go along with your detox program. Fruit juices will do for mid-morning and mid-afternoon snacks. For lunchtime, make yourself a vegetable soup, and it could be a combination of vegetable stock and your choice of vegetables. Top your brown rice with steamed broccoli with sesame seeds and beets and drops of lemon juice, add applesauce, and your multivitamin. The trick in successful detox diets is to avoid pressuring yourself to eat the fruits or vegetables that you hate, or you end up eating the junk foods again.
For more content like this, please visit learnforfree.biz.
Content produced and distributed by AllSuperInfo. All rights reserved.
Discover the proven formula for automated sales and success that you can apply to your business in under 30 minutes.
Reserve your seat at allsuper.info/webinar.